Hello students, in this video I have solved question number 10 to question number 13. See this video carefully. Okay students.
Angles. Okay, 10, question number 10, it's the first one. Two angles are supplementary in if one of them is a 30 less than 5 times the other. Find the angles. Here is two angles are given. So this is your solution. Let one of them is x degree. Okay, so one of them is 30 less than 5 times the other. So the other angle is the other angle is 5 times of x, 5x degree, and it is a 30 less than, so 5x minus 30 degree. Okay, so see with this help of a figure, students, here is this angle is given x, and this angle is a 5 times of x, and then it is a 30 less than. Okay, 5x, and one of them is a 30 less than 5 times the other, so 5x minus 30 degrees. So according to the question, sum of these two angles are supplementary. So sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree. So x plus 5x minus 30 is equal to 180. Okay, so 5 plus x, 6x minus 30 is equal to 180. So transpose this 30 to the right side. Minus 30 change into right side, it is a plus 30. So 6x is equal to 180 plus 30 degree. Okay, now here 6x is equal to 210. Now x is equal to 6 is in form of a multiplication, goes to that side, multiplication change into division. 210 upon 6. Now it is going to be cancelled out by 6. 6 1 is 6. 6 3 is 18. 3 carry 3. 6 5 is 30. That is x is equal to 35 degree. So one of them is a 35 and the other angle is a 5 times of 35, and then it is a 30 less. Okay. So now hence one of them is 35x, because we have supposed this x, and then other angle is 5 times of x. So x is a 35, 5 is multiplied 35 and minus 30 degree less. So multiply this one, 5 5 is a 25, 5 3 is a 15 to 17, 175 minus 30 degree. What you will get this one? 145. You will get this one 145 degree. You will get this one 145 degree. For this is your answer, and this one is okay. So listen students, this angle is a 35 and this one is this angle is a 5 times of this 35, and then it is a 30 less. So 5x minus 30. So you will get this 145. So one angle is a 145 and the other is a 35. This 145 is a 5 times of this 35, and then after it is a 30 less. So this is your solution of first. Now the solution of, do it in your copy properly students. Now this question number second. Two angles are complementary. The larger one is a 50 less than 3 times the smaller one. Here it is given that larger one and smaller one, and here it is given that two angles are complementary, means that sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree. Okay, now that solution of your question is, students, let the smaller angle is x degree. Okay, So the larger one is a 50 less than 3 times the smaller one. Okay, so and then the larger angle is 3 times the smaller one, 3x, and it is a 50 less than minus 50 degree. Larger one is a 50 less than 3 times the smaller one, 3 times, then it is a 50 less. Now according to the question, students, 3x minus 50 degree. So here it is a given that sum of two angles is complementary, means that smaller angle is x and the larger one is 3 times of x minus 50 less, 3x degree minus 50 less. Okay, now I'm going to do that next step. Okay, students. Now according to the question, after that, according to the question, sum of two angles is equal to complementary, means that is 90 degree. So smaller one is a x and plus 3x. I'm not going to write this degree, it is an expression. So first we solve this and then after what we get it, that is in degree. Okay, 90. So solve this one, students. 3x plus x, 4x minus 50 is equal to 90 degree. Transpose this 50 to the right side. Minus 50 change into plus 50. Okay. So now 4x is equal to 140. 4 is in form of multiplication, goes to that side, multiplication change into division. 140 upon 4, students, then you will cancel this one. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20. So you will get this x is equal to 35, means x is equal to 35 degree. X is equal to 35 degree. First means that smaller angle you will get it, hence the smaller angle, smaller angle is 35 degree. So the larger one, larger angle is 3x minus 50 degree, 3 times of this 35, 50 degree less. Okay, so multiply by 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 1 10, 105 degree minus 50 degree. Subtract this one, 5, 10 minus 5, 55. So the larger angle is a 55 and the smaller angle is 35 degree, students. So this is your answer. Okay, students. So if you are getting this type of questions, read the question properly, and then after you make your assumption, let the smaller angle is x and larger one is a 3 times of the smaller one, and after that it is a 50 less. Okay, so subtract 50 from that. Okay, and then after rest, you know that sum of the two angles is given that complementary, it means 90 degree, and then you will do it this way. Okay, now I'm going to do that. See this one carefully, same as it is. The question number second of 11 is same as it is like question number first. Two complementary angles are in the ratio 2:3. Find them. And in second, two supplementary angles are given that supplementary sum of two angles is equal to 180 and complementary angle is sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree. Okay, only this much difference. So now the solution for this one. Let the first complementary angle is, let the first complementary angle is 2x. We suppose this, if it is given in ratio, we suppose it in as an unknown quantity in x, 2x Okay, degree, and the second complementary angle is 3x degree. Now according to the question, sum of two complementary angle is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so add this one, 2x plus 3x is equal to 90. Solve this one, 5x is equal to 90. Now x is equal to 5 is form of a multiplication, goes to this side, multiplication changing to division. Cancel out this one, x is equal to 5 1 is 5, 5 4 here is 5 8 is 40. So you will get this 80 degree. First angle is here, the value of x is 80 degree. Hence first complementary angle, first angle is 2x, means that 2 is multiplied by 18 degree, 36 degree, and the second complementary angle is 3x degree. So 3 is multiplied by 18 degree, 54 degree. This is your answer, students. First one is a 36 degree and second complementary angle is a 54 degree, and sum of these two angles is equal to 90 degree. 36 plus 54 degree is a 90 degree. Okay, so and the second one is the same as it is, sum of two supplementary angle is given in the ratio. So second one you will do with yourself in your home, students. Now I'm going to, it is asking that find all the pairs of adjacent angles. Adjacent angle means that two angles are said to be adjacent if they have a common vertex and one common arms. That is known as they are said to be adjacent angles. For see this figure first. So in your solution, okay, all the adjacent angles are in this one. OB is a common arm. Okay, so the pair of, so in solution, the pair of adjacent angle is equal to, you can see this one, AOB angle, AOB, and angle BOC, that is the one pair for this one, angle AOB and angle BOC. OB is a common arm and O is a common vertex, and OC and OA is in different side of OB. That is your definition of adjacent angles. This is the solution of first one. The pair of adjacent angle is AOB and BO, angle BOC. Now that question number second. In this one also you will find that the adjacent angle. So solution for this case, the pair of adjacent angles are first pair is an angle AOD and angle BOD. This is your first pair. This angle AOD and angle BOD. OD is a common. Now the second pair is angle A with AOC and angle BOC. This is your second pair. Now the third pair is angle AOC and angle AOD. This is your third pair, AOC and AOD. This is AO or OA is a common in this one. Okay, now the last one is a angle AOC, angle BOC, angle BOC and angle BOD, angle BOD. This is a 4 pair of adjacent angle for question number 2nd. Now that it is very easy, you will start from AOD and BOD. This is your first pair, this and this one. OD is a common. Now AOC and BOC. OC is a common arc and OA and OB is in opposite sides. Now next one is AOC and AOD. OD and OC is in opposite side and OA is a common arm. And last one is BOC and BOD. OD and OC in opposite side, OB is a common arm. Okay students, now that same as it is question number 3rd. In this question number 3rd, the pair of adjacent angles are. Now the solution for question number 3rd. The pair of adjacent angles are. First one, you will start from point A angle AOB and angle BOC. This is your first pair. Now the second pair. Start with A. I have started with A. Angle AOB, angle AOB and angle BOD, angle BOD. Now the third pair with A, okay. Angle AOC, angle AOC and angle COD, angle COD. Now the last one is last pair of adjacent angle, angle BOC, angle BOC and angle COD, angle COD. These are the adjacent angles, okay. So start with AOB and BOC, okay. Next AOB and BOD. OB is a common in this one. In this one, OB is a common, okay. These two pairs. In this one, OC is a common, okay. OC is a common in this one. So there is a 4 pair of adjacent angles for question number 3rd. Now I'm going to start your question number 13. OA, adjoining figure OA and OB are opposite rays. OA and OB are opposite rays. If x is equal to 105, what is the value of y? And if y is equal to, given that 40, so what is the value of x? If x is equal to 105, what is the value of y? And if y is equal to 40, what is the value of x? So very easy, by seeing you can see this figure. It is sum of these two angles is equal to 180 because they are forming a linear pair. And you know that one more thing, sum of all the angles of one side of a line, sum of all the angles of one side of a line is equal to also 180. But here I'm going to use it linear pair. So solution for first one, for first question, okay. First part of question number 13 is solution for first part, okay. If x is equal to 105, okay, so what is the value of y? So by the definition of linear pair, by the definition of a linear pair, what is the definition? Sum of two angles is equal to 180 on a given line, okay. By the definition of a linear pair, we get x plus y is equal to angle x plus angle y is equal to 180 degree. Angle x plus angle y are is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so no need to write this angle. Angle x plus angle y is equal to x degree plus y degree is equal to 180. Now the value of 105 plus y is equal to 180. Transpose this 105 to the right side. Here is nothing, means that plus goes to right side, plus change into minus. 180 minus 105. Subtract this one, you will get this 5, 7. You will get this 7. Y is equal to 75 degree. For first part, your answer is when x is equal to 105, then y is equal to 75. Now the question solution for second one. If y is equal to 40 degree, so what is the value of x? What is the value of x? Here, what is the value of y? Okay, so very easy. This one also same thing. By the definition of a linear pair, by the definition of linear pair, no need to write in every step. By the definition of linear pair, we get from here, I'm going to write this one, angle x plus angle y is equal to 180 degrees. So here I'm going to put the value. X is not given. Here is y is given, that 40 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180. 40 goes to that side, plus 40 change into minus 40. So x is equal to, you will get this 140 degree. When y is 40, then the value of x is equal to 140. And when x is 105, then the value of y is equal to 75 degree. Okay students, when x is equal to 105 degree, okay, then the value of y is equal to 75, and when y is equal to 40, then the value of x is equal to 140 degree. Okay students, this is your question number